This is Michael. First, you want to make sure you have Automate Your Bing searches installed. You can download that from the Chrome Web Store. Or also make sure you delete the old ABS and Hux VPN, as the VPN trick has been patched now. Okay, so let's do our automatic searches. Let your PC searches complete first. And then once they have been done, right click and inspect and click on this icon and select a phone, and it'll complete your mobile searches, but you need to stay on the tab. Another thing that I would recommend is making more accounts. I have 20 accounts, and I earn 300 to 400 points per day on each account, and that allows me to get lots of gift cards. Make sure that you're doing all of your tasks on all of your accounts. Also, now with Amazon gift cards, you can select the amount that you want, which is pretty cool. That's all for today. If you'd like to learn more about Microsoft rewards, then I recommend you check out this playlist.